until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 1:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles southwest of Brandenburg, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Brandenburg, Valley Station, Irvington, Muldrow, West Point, Elizabeth, Ekron, Mockport, Laconia, and Guston. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Here is the hazardous weather outlook. Issued at 1:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 12:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time. For portions of South Central Indiana and Central Kentucky. For this afternoon and tonight, clusters of strong to severe storms are possible again today. Damaging winds